Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator. Before we dive in, safety is paramount. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or components. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical mishaps. Gather all your tools, such as a socket set, hose clamp pliers, a large drain pan, and your new coolant. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire process for your protection. Now let's get to draining the system. Place a large drain pan directly beneath your radiator's drain plug. Open this plug, usually a 10mm hex, and also remove the cap from your coolant reservoir to help the fluid flow. Next, use hose clamp pliers to carefully disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. You'll then need to remove the fan shroud and the fan assembly, which are often held in place by two 13mm bolts. Finally, gently detach any transmission or power steering cooler lines connected to the radiator. With the old coolant drained and components disconnected, it's time for the swap. Unscrew the radiator retaining bolts, typically two 13mm bolts located on the engine side. Carefully lift the old radiator out of its bay. Before installing the new one, remember to transfer any rubber insulators or mounting hardware from your old radiator. Now, gently lower your new radiator into position, making sure it aligns perfectly. Reconnect all the cooler lines, hoses, and the fan assembly, ensuring everything is secure. Finally, let's get your cooling system back in action. Refill the system with approximately 18 quarts of new, correct specification coolant. Using a specialized coolant filling funnel can greatly help prevent air pockets. Next, bleed any trapped air by running your engine with the heater on its highest setting until you see no more bubbles. Thoroughly check all hoses and connections for any leaks once the system is pressurized. Remember to monitor your coolant levels and engine temperature carefully during your initial drives.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.